Hey, what's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be setting up our Wyze Cam indoor home security camera that we just got, showing you how the video looks and making sure that it is up to par with everything else that we have. So let's check it out. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to plug this in. Now I'm using a portable charging device to plug this in, and hopefully everything is gonna work like it's supposed to. Let's get that plugged in. Now this camera does move, it tilts, it pivots, it does a lot of things. So let's see it start up and see what happens. Okay, so it has its own motion, so we can see that right off bat. I haven't done anything to it. This is just the initial startup. Camera looks like it has done its own little thing. Now, what I have done is you have to go and download this Wyze application on your device. Once you open it up, you're going to create an account, and then once you create the account, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. So we're going to add new device. And we have the Wyze Cam pan. I already tore the plastic off the lens. All right, so now it says connect your camera to the power outlet and wait 20 seconds. We've done that. Hold the setup button until you hear beep and ready to connect. So let's find the setup button, which is on the bottom right here. It says setup right there. Probably can't see it on the camera very well, but there we go, right here. You're gonna hold that for 20 seconds.
Ready to connect.
All right, it didn't even take 20 seconds. It's ready to connect. So, gonna click on I heard ready to connect. We're going to select our Wi-Fi and enter password. Let's do that off screen. All right, so then they give you a QR code. So we're going to hold this up at the QR code.
QR code scan. Please wait.
All right, so it seems really easy to connect, and it looks like it's connecting. So if this works, this is probably one of the easiest home security cameras I've ever set up. So it told us everything, walked us through voice prompts. Now it's gonna let you name it. I'm gonna say this is Nick's Wyze. There we go. Updated successfully. I'm going to start my device. Now, it gives you the option to share with other users, change the device name. You can do a live stream, and you can do message alerts. So let's see what we got. Okay. All right, it's just walking me through everything, how to do everything, pinch to zoom. We can do that later. Okay, so we got picture already. There is a new firmware. We're going to go ahead and upgrade. Let that upgrade, and then we will be right back in a moment. All right, so we are back. It says our firmware is upgraded, and we are ready to go. We're gonna click the back button, and let me see what the video is looking like. So right away we got an SD. Let's change it to HD up here. We got auto night vision up here. You can have sound, no sound, record, speak. You can take photos. Oh, you gotta let it access it, but take a photo, save to the album. If anybody's in your house, more options. We have motion tracking. So we have motion tracking. Let's click on more. We got motion tracking turned on. So the camera it moves really fast. So awesome. We are loving that. Camera's moving fast. Boom, just like that. All right, turn motion tracking off for right now. We can pan, tilt. Okay, this camera is pretty much one of the best motion cameras I've seen for under 50 bucks. Like I said, you're going to pay about 40 bucks for this camera. Has a two-way speaker. It can record. It does a lot of different things. I'm really surprised and I'm really happy about this camera. You can even turn it off from right here. Let's see if it works. There we go. We got a full screen. You get your date, you get your time, everything at the bottom of the screen right there. Let's go to HD. Swapping over to HD mode. So let's see. We're gonna move the camera around with my hand just to kind of get the picture and see how it looks. So really, really nice camera, really intuitive. I am liking the design. I'm liking the functionality. I'm liking the features. This camera is a go. It does everything that my other cameras do, and that I paid like almost $100 for. So at half the price, you can pick you up a Wyze pan tilt camera, indoor, 1080p, night vision, two-way audio. Only hooks up to a 2.4 gigahertz network, but that is okay. And the speed of the motion is one of the best things that I've seen. I really am enjoying the speed. I mean, if you look at the camera, if you look at my iPad, the speed that is picking up and speed that is moving. If someone is walking around in your house, it's going to pick up every motion that they make. So I'm really liking these features. Really like this camera. WYZE, Wyze Cam. You can get these on Amazon. I'll make sure that I leave a link below in the description. But I can't say enough. I like the camera. I really like it. I mean, it is one of the best cameras that I have. I'm going to be replacing one of mine today, probably. So pick you up one. I'll leave a link below in the description. And you too can own one of these Wyze cameras. Leave me a thumbs up. See that thumbs up? Boop, boop, boop. Leave me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.